Hello, students! Today we're going to explore something fascinating: the 7 forms of energy and how we use them in our daily lives. We do various types of work in our day-to-day life. Animals and machines also do work. Can you think of other examples of work you do every day? Running, writing, even breathing. Let's start with activity 7.1. You'll need a piece of bicycle tube and a meter ruler. Stretch the rubber tube as much as possible and measure the maximum length. Notice how different students can stretch it different lengths. The maximum length was different for each student. What did you use to stretch the tube? You applied force. You used energy. Now for activity 7.2. We'll use a thread, laboratory stand, and a small stone. Give the hanging stone a push and observe its motion. Watch how the motion gradually decreases over time. What did you apply to start the motion? You gave it a push. You transferred energy to make it move. Work can be simply explained as a push or a pull, resulting in movement of an object. The ability to do work is known as energy. The international unit of measuring energy is joule, abbreviated as J. Energy is necessary to perform work. To do more work, you need more energy. Energy exists in different forms. Let me show you the 7 main forms: light energy, thermal or heat energy, and chemical energy. In activity 7.3, we'll identify different forms of energy using these everyday items. Each piece of equipment uses a main form of energy and creates other forms when it works. An electric bulb uses electrical energy as its main form, but it creates light energy and heat energy when functioning. A battery clock uses chemical energy from batteries and creates sound energy and kinetic energy from moving parts. Let's focus on kinetic energy, the energy that moving objects contain. We see moving things everywhere: wind, vehicles, flowing water. In activity 7.4, we'll discover if moving objects have energy. Hold the turbine under running water and watch it spin. Send the toy car toward the ball and observe what happens. Drop the stone into still water and see the effect. In each case, work was done. The energy came from the moving objects. This is kinetic energy. Electricity can be generated using kinetic energy of sea waves. Wind's kinetic energy can grind grains, pump water, and generate electricity. Hydropower stations use water's kinetic energy to generate electricity. Humans have used kinetic energy for centuries in windmills and water wheels. Remember, energy is the ability to do work, and it exists in 7 main forms: kinetic, potential, electrical, and sound energy, plus light, thermal, and chemical energy. Each form can be converted to other forms, and all are essential in our daily lives. Now you understand how energy works around us every day. For your assignment, think of 5 examples of work you do in your daily life. Understanding energy helps us use it wisely and develop better technologies. Discuss with your classmates and observe energy transformations around you. Energy is everywhere. Keep exploring and asking questions about the world around you. Great work today, everyone. Next class, we'll explore more about potential energy and how it relates to kinetic energy. Keep observing energy in action.